What is an abstract method? Many developers think it's just unfinished code, but it's actually one of the most powerful tools for clean design. An abstract method is a method that's declared without any implementation or body. Notice the abstract keyword and the semicolon instead of curly braces. There's no code inside, just the method signature. It tells you what the method should look like, but not what it does. Here's the catch. Abstract methods can only exist inside abstract classes. You can't just throw an abstract method into a regular class. The class itself must be marked abstract. This makes sense because a class with unimplemented methods can't be instantiated directly. It's incomplete by design. So who implements these methods? The subclasses. When you extend an abstract class, you're required to override and provide concrete implementations for all abstract methods. If you don't, your subclass must also be abstract. This creates a chain of responsibility where each concrete class must fulfill the contract. Why use abstract methods? They enforce a contract across your class hierarchy. You're guaranteeing that every subclass will have certain methods, even if each implements them differently. This creates a common interface while allowing flexibility in behavior, the foundation of polymorphism. Remember, abstract methods are declarations without bodies that force subclasses to implement specific behavior. They're contracts, not incomplete code. Want more OOP concepts explained? Subscribe and hit the bell. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.